Today we'll show you how to easily exchange your Flex channels with Rogers Xfinity TV. Let's go! First, sign in to MyRogers. From the Services drop-down menu, select TV. Select Exchange Flex Channels. You'll be directed to Rogers.com to make the change. Select OK. Select Exchange Flex Channels to know what channels you already have and what else is available. The Available Flex Channel section shows the entire Flex Channels catalog. Channels you've already selected will have a check mark at the top right corner. To learn more about a channel, select the info icon. Here, you can remove the channels you no longer want and select the channels you'd like to add. For example, add CNN and remove CP24. A section on the bottom of the screen tells you how many channels you've selected and how many more you can choose. When you're satisfied with your channel selections, select Exchange and then return to Dashboard. That's it. You've now personalized your channel lineup by exchanging Flex channels with Rogers Xfinity TV.